Hi guys. You might be wondering what all this noise is in my house. It's a whole bunch of people.
Don't X me when I...
Rose brought over all of this clothes for the baby, and I'm literally so grateful. I could cry. Like, it's so cute. Look at this, guys.
You're gonna take what?
There we go.
What?
Look at this. Look at the butt. So cute. Look at the clothes now, Jessica. Rose brought over the kids so Jessica could go through my clothes. DJ, Hassan, and Savannah also came over to spend some time.
No, really, I did take
This is great. Okay. Guys, so much has happened and I didn't vlog. So right now we're at Walmart. I'm a pink Starburst. My baby daddy. So basically, Jessica went through all of my clothes that we sorted out yesterday, and she picked out a lot of it, which was really nice. Rose got me a lot of baby clothes. It was so cute, so I have to show you guys. It's adorable. And then, right now we're at Walmart. We're waiting for Rose because she's somewhere in the parking lot with us.
I ordered it from another one.
Guys, I didn't vlog for a long time, but we just left another Walmart because we were sitting outside. Liam and I finally brought the patio table downstairs, and we were sitting outside, and they were like, we need a few more things for out here. And Savannah also placed an online order, and she had to go pick it up. And we made it there within 2 minutes of the pickup station thingy closing down. So that was nice. But we're heading back to my house now. Liam and Hassan stayed at the house because Liam is cutting Hassan's hair. So yeah. It's really hot outside still, and it's 8 o'clock at night, which is But do you guys have anything to say?
Not really. West Crown Avenue.
How you get back?
Okay guys, I don't remember if I ever vlogged this part. I know I did, but it might have not made it onto my YouTube channel. But anyway, there's rust on the ground, our brand new cement from these 2 orange pots. I don't know what it is inside of it that makes it rust the ground. It's really annoying. Obviously not cute, but I found this really cheap solution on YouTube. I don't know if it works or not. Basically, you just need white vinegar and a wire brush. This is for a grill. This is the one that Liam bought for the grill, but it's 97 cents. So I figured this one would be nice to scrub the ground. Yeah, those are scary. Savannah's gonna try it and see how it works. This is obviously a very eco-friendly.
Wow, it's not working.
Oh, kinda.
Yeah, it is.
Oh my god. Maybe if we scrub it, yeah, that way. Let me try. No. Oh my god. Wow. Oh my god, I'm so happy because I was really upset at myself. Okay. Great solution. I'm sitting here editing yesterday's vlog. I decided I am going to daily vlog until I don't want to anymore, or I go back to work or something like that. But right now we're going to try some Kit Kats that we got from Walmart. There's 2 kinds. They're limited edition. One is a birthday cake flavor and another one is apple pie. Figured we'd try them on camera because why not?
So these are the Kit Kats that we are all gonna try. Why that face?
I don't know about the apple pie one.
Like apple pie.
Yeah, but chocolate Kit Kat apple pie version? I don't know.
So we're trying the birthday cake one, which is the sprinkly one.
Alright.
You're not even in it, honey.
I'm in it. Oh my gosh.
You're not.
I'm in it.
Now you blocking Hassan. Ready, set, go. Tastes like?
Tastes like a cupcake.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Love the little pieces of crunchies in it.
Don't act brand new like you didn't eat this already.
Ready, set,
Ready?
go.
It's very sweet, yo.
It's like caramel apple.
Mm-hmm. Oh, it's not bad.
I like it.
It really tastes like apple.
Mm-hmm.
You like it?
It's like the apple crust.
Oh, look at
That's
that apple
scary.
in front of them.
Yeah.
Mm.
So
I
you can make it
actually
taste
really
like
like
this?
Oh, towards the end, it's even better.
It's
Yeah.
like cinnamony at the end.
Yeah.
It's like McDonald's apple
Much
pie.
more depth of flavor.
Oh, it's good. You guys should try it. So I just finished editing my video and it's uploaded. So I did decide to vlog for the month of July. Well, I'm just home and chilling, I guess. Right now I'm walking to the playground that's by my house because everyone's over there at the tennis court playing badminton. So there's a pretty decent tennis court right by my house. It's nice because it's nice and lit, because we usually play across the street from my mom's house, but it gets pretty dark and it's hard to see the birdie. But here's my friends. I just want to show you guys my belly today.
Belly shot from.
Actual, like the advice, like Mexico put out a statement, never go to
Yeah. Yo, never go to Sinaloa.
Guys, it is the end of the night. My friends are leaving now.
We said that and Chihuahua.
It was a great day. I don't know what I recorded. I was so distracted hanging out with everyone today.
Why?
I really kind of
love
forgot
him.
to vlog. But
Who?
there's always a
Where?
tomorrow. I think I'm staying home tomorrow all day actually because
White
it's
boy.
going to be 96 degrees.
Oh.
That's hot. So yeah.
She just died.
Thanks for watching.
What?
Dog.
Give me a kiss.
She would have just like